In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Brave keeps logging you out. Now, when you experience this problem, it is basically related with the cookies of our browser. Now, to fix it, just head over to the three lines at the corner of your screen. You will be able to find this right beside this icons. Click on settings. From here, you then want to click on the history. It's right above our screen right here. And basically, you can just make sure to click on the delete browsing data. So just click on this button right here. And basically, we have multiple options like the basic, advanced, and on exit. You want to make sure that none of these options right here is checked, because most likely what's happening is that when you exit out of your Brave browser, it will then clear cookies and history from the browser itself. So you want to make sure that this is good to go. And you also want to go ahead and delete extensions if you've recently installed one, because that might have some correlation with this problem. And we can also try adding Google cookies to our Brave browser. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.